What's up everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to play 1v1 match with friends in Free Fire. So firstly, launch the Free Fire app on your device, then wait for the main lobby to load. Now tap the mode selection button above the surf button, then go to custom tab. Tap create to set up your room. Now set a password to keep your room private and choose your preferred mode. Recommended is Clash Squad for 1v1. Go to the Games tab, then set max players to 2. After creating the room, tap the invite button, then select your friend from your friends list. Share the room ID and password if needed. Wait for your friend to join the room, and once both players are ready, just tap start to play the game. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.